Okay, this is Kertas model SPM4 paper 1 question number 20. It's a circular measure question. So in this question, we are given a sector, all right, and a right angle triangle over here with the angle 0.8 radian. So we need to find, this is K, P, and this is O, Q, and L. So KOL is a sector with center O and the radius of 20 cm. So from here to here, the radius is 20 cm. Given that P to Q is 10 cm over here, find the area of the shaded region. Okay, how do we find? Um, to find the area of the shaded region, that will be taking the area of the sector minus area of the triangle POQ. Now, how do we find the area of the triangle? This is right angle triangle. If we know the base, then it will be good for us to find the the value of this. So how do we find? Yeah? Now, as long as we have angle in one of the side, we can use the sokatua to find. So this one involves the skill that we have learned in Form 3, the trigonometry. So for this angle, the PO will be the adjacent, and this one will be the opposite, and this OQ will be the hypotenuse. So not important. The important part is I need to know what is this base. Since I know this is 10, so the one that involve the O and the A will be toa, according to SOHCAHTOA. So I will have tangent 0.8 radian, okay, equals to opposite over adjacent, 10 over the OP. Now, therefore, OP will equals to 10 over tangent 0.8 radian. Now, you can either change the mode of your calculator into radian, or you change the 0.8 radian manually to the angle. I will prefer that because I already explained to you the reason in the class, because we also have trigonometry topics to be solved in the whole set of paper. So if you forgot to change it back, then you will have a big problem. So let's convert the 0.8 radian into degree. So if you want to change to degree, you have to multiply the factor whereby the degree is on top. So 180 on top divided by the pi at the bottom. So we will have 45.84 degree. Yeah? So over here will be 10 over tangent 45.84 degree. So next we just use calculator. 10 divided by tangent 45.84 degree. So we have 9.711 for significant figure. Therefore, with that, then we can find the area of the sector will be half r squared theta, 20 squared. The theta is 0.8, whereby the area of the triangle is half times the base times the height, which is 10. So over here, we use calculator. 20 squared times 0.8, and then divide by 2. We have 160, and for this side we will have this one, after we simplify, will be 5. Yeah, so we just take 9.711 times with the 5, we have 48.555, and subtract from 160, we will have 111.445. So round it off to 4 significant figure, 0.4. And the unit will be in cm square. That is the answer for question number 20. Okay, 1 mark for your answer. And then 1 mark for taking the area of sector minus the area of the triangle. And either one, I mean both, you must minus. If not correct, at least one of them is correct, then you get 1 mark your second point. The first point will be this first point. This one, these two correct, automatically you get 2 points. If only one side correct, you get 1 point only. So 1, 2, 3, 4 points altogether.